Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this pence fly filter on Snapchat. So this is the filter. Let me remove this first. Okay, it's gone. So to get this filter, what you can do, you can visit this website. Link to this website I'll give in the description box below. Here in this website you will see the snapcode for this filter. If you're browsing this website in your laptop or PC, you can scan the snapcode with your Snapchat mobile app. And if you are browsing this website in your mobile, just tap on the snapcode and open it with Snapchat. You will see this pop-up, unlock for 48 hours. Tap there. Okay, and there you go, you got the filter. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video.